Welcome to the next topic of our video, which is limit and drawing units. So now here we have a completely blank drawing area. So in this current drawing, we didn't know the extent of drawing or dimension. For example, if you want to make a line of 10 units in this area, we do not know how long it will be. So in order to set that limit, we can use the limits command. So type limits limits and press enter, and it will prompt you to specify the lower left corner, which is by default 0, 0. So simply 0, 0 is the point which is on the left downmost part of our computer screen. So you can directly enter your lower left corner value, or you can use the values in bracket as the default value. So let me press enter to set 0, 0 as default left corner value. And now the screen prompts again to enter the upper right corner value, and the upper right corner value is the value of this corner on your computer screen. So by default the upper right corner values are 12 and 9, which means the length of the section in the screen is 12 units, and the height should be, and this height should be 9 units. Whatever the current drawing unit is. But that always not the case. The height is obviously 9, but depending upon the aspect ratio of your computer, they can be changed. So we know the value of upper right corner. So to accept the value, let me enter. And if you want to change those values, you can do by entering the new values as well. Let me change the upper right corner value. So I will type limits limits, leave this as default, and I will type 120, 90 units and press enter. So we need to ensure that the settings are applied, and to check if the settings are applied, we can use zoom command. So simply type Z for zoom and press enter, and type command A for all and press enter. So let's click on the line command and go to the command line and make a point somewhere close to the bottom point, and make a straight line of length 90 units. And press enter. And we have noticed that the length of the line is equal to 90 units. So completely fills the computer screen, as you can see, as we have set the unit as 90. Now we also need to know the unit of the current drawing, and for that you can check the display unit. From this drawing utilities to units, or you can use its command equivalent as UN. Press enter. The drawing is currently set to decimal. The symbol of decimal is dot here. You never have to ever type in symbol, because AutoCAD is going to interpret the number you have typed as inch if it is the inserted skull content. Like if you type 20, it considers it as 20 inches because current insertion scale and unit is set to inch. Alternatively, if you want to type 1 centimeter, then you can do it by typing 1 upon 2.54, which is equivalent to 1 centimeter. Just the same. Engineering type is based on feet and inches. Fractional is based on feet, whereas scientific is based on exponential notation. It could be per sec. Let me select architectural unit for the time being and set the precision to quarter inch. Let us set up angular measure as, let me select this as decimal degrees, set the precision to 2 places. We can set up angular measure as well. We can set up from this direction tab. The default is which is 0 degree. So going right is 0 degrees and then going straight up means 90 degree. So system works in counterclockwise degree fashion. We can change it from here as well. Again, you can set the precision for angle. If you want to set north as the default base angle, you can do it in this way and press enter. Let me select east as the default base angle. You can also check to measure angle rather than anti-clockwise. So finally, let me select the length type as architecture, quarter inches, degrees, precision as 2 point. Let me set up this as anti-clockwise, which is by default. Then set it as inches, sample output, and set me the lighting as international and place OK. So the unit is set up.